Before anything else, let me tell you some facts about Chum Memorial English Medium School. The vision of its founder, Mr. Kanjibai Devjibai Chum, was transformed into reality on 1st June 1998. The beginning was small and delicate and slowly transformed into something big. In the beginning, it was just the playhouse and the junior KG, but the parents wished for their children to study in the same school, and thus a primary school was established. In 2000, the trust planned for the proper building, and on 11th June 2001, the school moved into a large campus with great enthusiasm. In 2006, the school turned into a higher secondary institute with 11th and 12th commerce. In 2009, Chum Memorial Gujarati Medium School was established. Our school focuses on children's physical, intellectual, moral and aesthetic developments, something beyond bookish knowledge. The support that we get here is impossible to get somewhere else. We are not only taught Newton's law and trigonometry, but we are also taught how to respect others, how to make friends, and how to accept criticisms. Our school not only teaches us, but it also develops us and inspires us to do something big in life. The biggest inspiration is, of course, our very own Sunena ma'am. Our principal, her thoughts, her values, her way of looking at life makes me wonder if I could ever be like her. She's so gentle and so strong at the same time. When we are around her, we feel like we belong here. We know that she will always support us no matter what. If we're doing the right thing, she will always guide us. She's so supportive, dignified, and the best principal ever. You know who else inspires us? Our teachers. We are so lucky to have the expert teachers for each subject. The teachers provide us with the guidance we need. They are like our friends. We share this special bond with each and every teacher. They not only impart knowledge in us, but they also impart strength, wisdom, kindness, and self-belief. Our principal, our teachers, they believed in us when we were nothing, when we couldn't even put the 26 letters of the alphabets together. It didn't matter how many times we were knocked on the floor, they knew that there will come a day when we will be standing so tall touching the sky. They didn't just teach us to dream, they taught our hearts to dream with us. Now let us talk about success. Our school has been successful in every field. Science, dance, drama, speeches, sports, karate, you name it. We've achieved it all. State level, national level. I've talked too much now, but I want to conclude this speech with mathematics. We all know what infinite numbers mean. There are infinite numbers between 0 and 1, 0.1, 0.11, 0.112 and so on. But there are even more infinite numbers between 0 and 2 or even 0 and a million. My point is some infinities are bigger than other infinities. And in these 15 years that I've studied here, this school has given me my little infinity and I'm so grateful for it. I can now say that this school has led me and all of us, including the parents, from darkness to light, living up to its motto. Now I request our youngest, most enthusiastic and energetic trustee, Hema ma'am, to share her views. She is so successful today and she was a student of this school, so I request her to say a few words. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Namaste and good evening to all invited guests, parents, teachers and my dear students. I, Hema Suraj Masani, today welcome you all on behalf of the management and Chum School family. It's indeed a beautiful evening. Thank you all for your spirit of togetherness. हमारी स्कूल को 16 साल पूरे हो गए हैं और यहाँ तक की यात्रा में हमने बहुत सारे अचीवमेंट्स किए हैं. All credit goes to our principal ma'am, Sunena madam, teaching staff and our dear students. Still we are developing and still हमें बहुत आगे जाना है. For that we need your support. आप पेरेंट्स का सपोर्ट हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. We started this school in 1999 with 50 students and today we have around 1000 students. Our staff members are helpful, hardworking, dedicated and qualified. Today's program would not have been possible without team effort. Our principal ma'am, teachers, non-teaching staff, students, and how can I forget you, my dear parents? I thank you all. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mohit Pandya. It is the culture of this great historical country that we pray and to achieve knowledge and invite the Almighty to come down from heaven. And please be present with us in all our acts.
The presence of God is felt by the positive energy all around us. Everything should be started with a prayer.
I thereby request our Honorable Chief Guest to initiate the program by garlanding Lord Saraswati, lighting up the lamp, and also paying tribute to late Sri Kanjibai Cham. So I welcome Innerville President Jaysriben Dholakia, Miraj Cham, Trustee Hima Masani, and the Principal Sunena Madam. माननीय प्रमिला बेदी चम,
धारिणी विद्या आरम करिष्ठामि प्रसन्ता भव शारदेवी।
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
So be a part of this prayer and I hope you enjoy the function.
So please welcome the group of Saraswati Stuti. Thank you.
Thank you.
Saraswati,
સ્વાગત કરશે. એના પછી ઇન્ટરવ્યુ ક્લબના પ્રેસિડેન્ટ જયશ્રીબેન ધોલકિયાનું સ્વાગત કરવામાં આવશે. એના પછી અમારા માનનીય રાધિકાબેન વાડિયાનું સ્વાગત કરશે. થેન્ક યુ. પધારેલા દરેક મહેમાનોનું સ્વાગત છે દિલથી. અને માનનીય શ્રી સરડા સાહેબ પ્લીઝ મહેરબાની કરી સ્ટેજ ઉપર આવશે. આપણી વચ્ચે પધારેલા માનનીય શ્રી હરિયાણી સાહેબ જિલ્લા શિક્ષણ અધિકારી પોરબંદર